In the ghetto, you have a man where he want it easy. You have a man who willing to work. Me as a youth, I hold out a long time in the guards. Never go jail, never get arrested. But guess what, not every youth will hold out like me.
This is not what I really want to do, but this can be the little stepping stage for me to do what I want to do.
I have a 24 months plan. We don't go gone 2.5 months. I have a building, 2 fridge, and a kitchen. What I really want, greater investment and somebody to help me guide it.
Unfortunately, we're doing this in the context of Jamaica being one of the most murderous countries in the world. This is not something that any Jamaican can be proud of. It is the context in which young people are growing up. They are frustrated, they're drawn into a life of crime. We feel that as a company, we must play a role.
I started the business at £175 in half of a rented house in Meadowbrook. So I sympathize, empathize with all the poor people who are coming. That's why we produce products at the lowest possible price but the highest quality. I must tell you, we have 2 basic schools that for 18 years we have given them breakfast every morning free, because sometimes without food and breakfast you can't learn. So any program to help people who need the help, that's me. And that's why in the foundation, you are the first group that we are helping. And if this group turns out successful, we will do many hundreds more.